Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now, today we're making finger food for parties. And I'm going to show you my recipe for Katsu Curry Chicken Lollipops. Let's get right into it. Okay, so to start we're going to add some garlic, shallots, some ginger and some diced carrot into our pan with a little bit of oil, and we're just going to cook this out gently. To this, we're next going to add some spices. So we're going to add some curry powder and some turmeric. We're going to cook out these spices for a few minutes, and then we'll add some coconut milk and simmer for 20 minutes. So next step is to prepare our chicken lollipops. So to do this, we need to take this piece into two. So cut down the skin and pop these pieces just at the joint. Cut through just to separate. And we'll take our upper piece of the wing, which has one bone. We'll just force the meat to the bottom of this little drumstick lollipop. Just going to trim any excess skin. Next, move on to our second. So we're going to take the thicker side. I'm just going to force down the large bone, pushing all the flesh to the bottom. I'm just going to pop out this smaller bone by forcing out the bottom there. Again, trim any excess as our second lollipop. So repeat for the rest of your chicken wings. And next we're going to set up a pane. So this is flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. Repeat for the rest of the chicken lollipops. And that's our lollipops ready to fry. So now our sauce will be ready, so we're just going to blend this and prepare our frying oil. So take this to 160 degrees Celsius and drop carefully your chicken lollipops into the fryer. So this will take about 3 to 5 minutes until they're nice golden, beautiful and crispy. So fry off the rest, drain, and straight out the fryer. We're going to dust them with some curry salt. So here are our chicken Katsu lollipops. Done.